Rumi always keeps a small piece of Derpy with her. After all, he sure does make an impression. And there's always room for some glitter glue. Now we've got our own jelly tiger, and he's great! If a little gooey. Yeah, I wouldn't squeeze too hard. Yeah, if you love Derpy, let him go. He'll always find his way back. Meanwhile, I think there's some buried treasure in the sand. Wow! It's a K-pop Demon Hunter's mystery box! Ooh, I hope it's got soda pop. Let's see what's inside. A flexible road? Well, time to let the good times roll. Follow the only road. It's paved and wide and up to code. Ooh, we can't forget the loop-de-loop. And we gotta give gravity a helping hand. But what's the fun of a road without some wheels? Get your engine started. We've got a need for speed. And when you own the road, there's no speed limit. Especially when it's a racetrack. Let's see what's next. Wow, a big smile for someone so blue. Of course, I'd be happy to be a bubble wand octopus too. Soon, we'll have more bubbles than under the sea. Cats don't like water, but everyone loves water. Of course, we need to share this bubble power with the world. And if they pop, we can always make more. Wow, this astronaut's defying gravity. Pay no attention to that string on top, clearly for decoration. You seem thirsty. Why not try some cosmic water? Wow, the thing even looks cosmic. Possibly grape flavored. Either way, he's got a special treat for you in the back. Open him up and he'll be happy to give back. Cosmic water is the gift that keeps on giving. It looks like stardust. I wonder if it tastes like it too. Of course, I've never tried stardust before. Either way, Rumi here seems to like it. Why don't we drink it straight from the source? It's out of this world. What does the box have next? A milk cap? Who needs the rest of the cow when you've got udders? Unfortunately, you gotta provide your own milk. Make sure that cap is on nice and tight. Now you can drink milk 4 times as fast. Hey, leave some for Derpy, preferably in a saucer. Of course, he wouldn't mind the direct approach. Plus, it's great for all those teeth of his. Oh, silly kitty. But I wonder what else this works on. Mints and soda? Put that cap on ASAP. It'd be a waste of a perfectly good fountain. I like lobster claws, but usually as lunch. But I think I might even like them better as pens. A simple click, plus a pinch to grow an inch. And look, you can even write and draw with it. Plus, it's great for multitasking. Eat spicy chips, and your hands will stay powder-free. But let's see if this works on more than chips. The ultimate test. Rumi's favorite ramen. Wow, now that's what I call instant noodles. You can almost taste the seafood flavor. And look, it even doubles as a toothpick. In fact, you'd be surprised at all the things you could pick. I wonder what's next. A foot cleaner? For who? Thumbelina? Oh, I see. It helps exfoliate skin. Let's try it out. Ooh, Rumi, we need to rethink your boot situation. Well, might as well start with some soap. Now spread the suds. Make sure you really get in there. Every nook and cranny. Okay, we got rid of the gunk. Wipe it off. Ah, good as new. Let's hope they stay that way. Aw, looks like Rumi's got a secret admirer. Is it Genu? Speak of the devil, those poor flowers. But don't worry, there's more where those came from. Especially when we can make them ourselves. Just lay down all the layers and colors you want. With a slight pinch, it becomes three-dimensional. But this flower's getting a whole package, a stem. You can't stop at one. Let's make a whole bouquet. And the best part is, they don't need water. Wrap it up with paper and it's ready for Valentine's. Of course, we can still keep it in a vase. Wow, we've got a candy dispenser frame. Seems we need to add the candy ourselves. Just make sure it fits through the slot. No wonder we need to keep adding candy. Because I don't think it's going to stay there for long. Yeah, something tells me we should order in a new shipment. Also works with nuts or various other tiny foods. Something tells me some kitty wants you to spread the love. But let's fill it with Derpy's favorite kitty kibble. Now just turn the dial and let the love pour out. Of course, no Huntrix box is complete without pom-poms. They're always great to have on hand. Just look at how it puts a nice face on things. But why don't we use it to make some art? Unicorns are cool on their own, but it's just so fluffy! What else can we decorate with this? Looks like Rumi's embracing her markings. Nothing wrong with being a little fearless. But I think clowns are a little too scary for some. Zoe, Rumi, you're not supposed to run from real fights.
No, wait, that's Sailor Moon.
But still, you're Huntrix. Still, there's no shame in a little hide and seek. Especially when you're hiding from demons. And look, there's a way out on the other side. But I wonder where it leads to. Wherever this is, the decorators seem to be fans. Of course, who isn't?
Oh, right, these guys.
Wow.
So why don't you do that voodoo you do so well? And send that Saja boy back to Guima.
Cool.
Your turn, Rumi. Besides, a little stretching always pays off. Really takes care of all those aches and pains. And it's just so much fun, too. Especially with a little elbow grease. For our next trick, we're gonna need some kinetic sand. Place it in a mold so we can keep it all in a circle. Pat it down nice and smooth. And cut out a smaller circle. 'Cause now you'll get a ring, which you can fill with more sand. Keep it coming. We'll tell you when. When? Smooth it out. Make sure to leave room on the top. So we can cover it up with some more pink. Flatten it into place. It's like a mini cake. Which makes it the perfect topper for an even bigger cake. Happy birthday, Rumi! Why don't you make a wish?
Yay!
Spiders and worms? I don't think she wished for that.
Oops.
Still, we can't let a good cake go to waste.
Aw.
Don't worry, Rumi. Here's someone who could help. Who knew a big mouth could come in handy? What a good gator. Ooh, Zoe's got the tea. But do we have some tea for her? Poor Zoe, she's breaking out all over. Guess even pop stars get pimples sometimes. I know you're tough, but I wouldn't pop them. Here, this will help you avoid temptation. But we're sure you won't stop trying. Here, we'll help you kick the habit another way. We just need a tiny Zoe face and fill it up with zits. But maybe throw in a few surprises too. Just don't forget the main event, some pimples for popping. Ah, Rumi, you truly are the Wizard of Ooze. Ooh, looks like Zoe wants a turn. Okay, try and see if you can find that laboo. It's time for Zoe to put the pop in Pop Idol. And it's a great stress reliever, too. Of course, Rumi has her demons, too. Like nail biting, skin peeling. But you'd think she'd be able to handle her inner demon by now. Zoe's here to help. Start by drawing something cute on a plate. And you don't get any cuter than Derpy. Especially with a big pink tongue hanging out. Next, cover it up with some sticky glue. Especially glitter glue. Yes, the glitter's important. Now make sure to spread it around the plate. Okay, Rumi, why not give it a pinch to grow an inch? And see just how far you can make it stretch. Of course, a true artist makes art spring to life. The Saja boys might not be the nicest company, but they can still be fun to have around. Wait, Derpy's not a demon. He's just got horns. Aw, I'll remember how animated he was. But he'll live on as precious, precious slime. And he's the perfect shade for Rumi's hair. It looks nice, but something tells me Rumi's got her sights elsewhere. Yeah, it's hard to compete with Ginu. But this gives me an idea for her eyes. Either that or corn on the cob. Just kidding. We're saving that for Zoe. Rumi is sure going to be red in the face. Don't worry. Told you we had a backup. And look, this corn already comes with oil. But you gotta provide your own butter. Try some popcorn. Always more where that came from. It looks like leaves, so I think it counts as a vegetable. But even gummies can hurt your teeth. Lucky for Zoe, Rumi's got a secret. She's also a dentist, among other things. Good news, it's not cavities. You've just got some candy stuck in there. Can't let good candy go to waste. Looks like you're due for a tongue scraping too. Now you might feel a little tingle. Seriously, this syrup is really sweet. While we're here, let's ditch that sore tooth. If you think that hurts, wait till you get the bill. Mini Rumi's sure got some moves, but let's take a peek at what makes her tick. Ooh, someone's got water beads on the brain. Guess she's Big Rumi's biggest and smallest fan. Some nanotape will help you share your thoughts with the world. And Zoe can help. We need a can for our fan. Use it to make a container and fill it with all those water beads. Seal it up nice and tight, and save that tab for the top. Now give your new can a tight squeeze. Careful though, we don't want to smudge that face. Hey girls, still need something to do? We got a cool new fidget board for you. You can comb Mira's hair. Where is she anyway? Oh, she was hiding behind her bangs the whole time. And there's always room for accessories. Why don't you play with Derpy next? He's always a good time. The one time it's okay to stick your tongue out. You can knock this down. Just put it back up. Of course, nothing's more fun than ramen. Besides, there's always room when it comes in fun size. Just add veggies and spicy seasoning. Of course, hot water really gets things cooking. Sure, this might be Rumi's favorite flavor. But aren't friends supposed to share everything? So why not play with what Zoe likes the most? Or something you all like, fresh gimbap. Start by opening up our wooden roller. Now lay down dried seaweed, rice, and your favorite fillings. Next, it's time to let the good times roll. And things don't get better than gimbap.
Wow.
This stuff is good to the last gulp.
Wow.
There's no use crying over spilled blue stuff,
What?
but I'd understand crying over a ruined manicure. We can fix this. Red-handed's more traditional. And we can use it to make some fun handprints.
What?
Turn it over and you can make something new. Like a pair of two best friends who are probably waiting for their third friend. Don't forget to add some other colors. Or wait for monochrome to go back in style. Ah, friends don't need an excuse to give each other gifts. Hurry, girls! Class is in session.
Wow.
This girl is rolling in laboo money.
Whoa.
Maybe she'll like your handmade laboo. Guess not. Subtlety isn't her strong suit, is it? I hope she realizes this means war. Wow, this laboo fits right into the palm of your hand. Plus, it's filled up with some cool white slime. Uh-oh, looks like this guy could use a refill. Wow, these monster elves blow up so fast. Just be careful, you might just pop him. Ha ha, you're all wet. But a squishy laboo does sound fun. Ugh, pre-chewed gum sure is nasty. But you gotta admit, it still is pretty stretchy. So let's take it all and roll it up into a ball. Now grab something clear to cover it up. Seems like a tight squeeze, but I think we're gonna make it. Next, we'll need something soft and fuzzy. I guess a fuzzy sock will have to do. And with a little customization, it's a new laboo. A brand new laboo stress ball, that is. By the looks of it, he's one tough cookie. Now that's what I call a laboo dream house. And it's already completely furnished. Complete with a rubber ducky.
Wow.
You can have hours of fun with this. But don't worry, we can make our own fun. Complete with your very own toy house. This one's just gonna come pocket-sized. In fact, it's so fun-sized, it fits on your finger. There's all sorts of things your laboo can do in here. And Thumbelina can come over for a play date. Wow! A laboo dispenser! And it gives out jewelry. Oh, make sure to save a piece for me. Wait, that's not gold.
Wow.
It's chocolate. Even better. I repeat, make sure to save some for me. Probably should do something about those wrappers. Never knew gold grills could be so green. You know, recycling could work for you too. Especially when you find a laboo stencil. It could be the base for our new candy dispenser. Add a nice face on things. And candy. Plenty of candy. Spin the wheel and you get yourself a treat. You earned it. Wow, these little laboobos sure are durable. So why don't we put these little guys to the test? And we've got just the machine to do it. So, anyone in the mood for pasta?
Yay!
Oh, don't worry. We can rebuild them. This test got a failing grade, but it's got all the answers we need, especially with such sturdy tape. Fold it up until you've got a nice cube. Now fill it up with some laboo puree. Seal it up and put a nice new face on things. Together, they make a super laboo. Pre-calc sure is hard. Let's play a game.
Wow!
Wow, you sure know how to push his buttons. When you're done, he starts up all over again. And with a light show too, I might add.
Wow!
Maybe we can find an old Pop-It toy. Talk about old, it's all worn out. Well, if we're gonna have to work with holes, we might as well start from scratch. Seems simple. Make it into a box. Now we need some cubes with springs. Soon, we'll have a laboo for each color of the rainbow. Plus a big bad boo-boo to keep an eye on things.
Yeah!
And the best part is, there are no batteries required. Never a dull moment at the Laboo boutique. Here, these pants really bring out your fangs. Work that runway. The camera loves you. Don't hate her because she's Laboo beautiful. Do you want to put on a fashion show? We can always go out thrifting.
Oh?
But it's always classy to get things custom made.
Wow!
Starting with a handmade laboo paper doll. These clothes have a magnetic touch. And we're not talking about static cling. Ooh, guess some accessories are included. Positively scrumptious. And the lollipop's cool too. Ooh, expecting a delivery, are we? This looks like a special laboo. You can wear her, and she likes warm hugs.
Huh?
While you're here, why don't we brush your fur?
Woohoo! Yeah!
And there's always time to accessorize. Oh, don't have one? Don't be jealous. But that might be easier said than done. Still, don't get mad. Get crafting. And your hairbands are just the thing to help. Add them to your finger and braid them like a pretzel. It's a bracelet with a whole lot of grip. Laboobos of all sizes are welcome. Make one for each arm. What other merch have you got?
Huh?
Is that a pencil case? Complete with the latest Laboo stationery. Check it out. Ooh, 5 heads are better than 1. Of course, you can also write with it. But why not color with all the colors of the rainbow? Make it pink. Wait, no! Make it blue! But I've always been partial to green. You know, why don't we make a whole rainbow? But we're just getting started. You can draw all sorts of things. Can you guess what she's drawing?
Wow.
Notice a theme here? Okay, you are really quite the artist. But a true artist knows anything can become art. Toilet paper rolls? It just needs something extra fuzzy. Just wrap the rolls up in all this fuzz. All it needs is a zipper, and you've got your own pencil case. Aw, she's grown accustomed to that face. And wow, it's already got pens inside it. It's kind of generic, but this should be an easy fix. Use it to draw a laboo pen cover. Make a pair and add some stuffing inside. And it seems like we've reached the point. Try it out. You can make covers for all of your pens. Now let's take you all to your new home.